Are you looking for the best dry carpet cleaner for pet stains to tackle stubborn messes and eliminate deep odors easily? I evaluated 5 exceptional deep cleaning systems engineered to restore your home carpets smoothly. Product number 1. Bissell Little Green Mini. This incredibly compact deep extractor offers a highly efficient way to lift fresh messes and old footprints from your living room rug surfaces. The portable housing holds a specialized water tank layout that separates fresh cleaning solution from extracted grime automatically during operation. An integrated self-cleaning tool flushes the entire hose assembly after each use to prevent bacteria accumulation and bad odors inside your closet storage. The targeted manual spray nozzle delivers concentrated moisture exactly where stains dwell to lift embedded dirt without soaking entire carpet backings unnecessarily. I appreciate the tough scrubbing attachment that loosens locked-in pet hair and stubborn mud trails from delicate upholstery fibers carefully. Its lightweight design allows for effortless transport up and down stairs or straight out to your vehicle for detailed interior upholstery care. The lengthy power cord guarantees great movement flexibility across massive rooms without constantly searching for alternative wall outlets. This system provides pet parents with a quick and dependable answer for tracking minor, everyday accidents perfectly. Product number 2. Bissell Little Green Multi-Purpose 1400B. This multi-purpose portable machine represents an industry classic trusted by millions of households for removing tough spots and persistent pet discoloration. The rugged motor generates powerful suction performance to draw moisture and embedded soils completely out from deep within heavy carpet piles daily. It features a dual-tank configuration that makes filling clean formula and discarding contaminated fluid completely straightforward and simple for everyone. The specialized specialty tools target tight corners, stair treads, and vehicle seats where standard upright vacuum configurations cannot reach comfortably at all. I select this machine for its exceptional durability and consistent performance when managing recurring accidents from multiple household pets over time. The long flexible hose gives you ample reach to clean furniture cushions thoroughly without lifting the primary unit off the floor surfaces. It breaks down stubborn organic proteins quickly when paired with enzyme-based formulas to eliminate returning odors entirely from your home environment. This reliable companion ensures your carpets remain fresh and spotless through years of continuous domestic challenges and rugged usage. Product number 3. Shark StainStriker PX202BRN. This advanced spot extractor combines chemical activation with extreme suction to deliver rapid stain removal results on any fabric or rug surface. The dual formula system mixes high-performance solution with oxygen-infused boosters right at the nozzle tip for maximum cleaning potency and speed. It targets localized odors aggressively to leave your household carpet smelling absolutely pristine and free from musky animal scents during summer months. The comprehensive package includes multiple interchangeable tools engineered specifically for pet hair collection and ground and dirt removal tasks around furniture. I love how the high-velocity extraction path accelerates drying time significantly by drawing out massive volumes of dirty fluid from deep fibers. The compact profile stores away neatly on small laundry shelves or tight hallway closets without creating any unnecessary clutter inside your home. Its transparent tank design allows you to monitor fluid levels constantly, so you know exactly when to replenish your formula mixture. This innovative machine provides an elite solution for households dealing with tough and deeply set organic stains on daily schedules. Product number 4. Bissell Little Green Max PET 3860. This upright cleaning system offers full coverage floor optimization for households requiring regular maintenance across expansive carpeted rooms without any hassle. The specialized rotating dirt lifter power brush contains multiple rows of sturdy bristles that agitate deep carpet fibers to loosen trapped debris smoothly. Its slender and lightweight framework navigates around heavy living room furniture and narrow corridors without causing physical user fatigue or strain. The dual-tank system keeps clean water and dirty residue completely isolated to ensure you never spread grime across your floors during use. I observed that the powerful floor nozzle draws out deep moisture consistently to help your rugs dry in a short period of time. The collapsible handle minimizes overall storage height, so it fits into standard residential utility closets easily when your work is finished. It delivers consistent high-powered extraction that easily lifts muddy paw prints and large liquid spills from high-traffic entrance zones across the house. This upright model serves as a magnificent household asset for keeping whole rooms beautiful and sanitary for your active family lifestyle. Product number 5. Bissell Little Green Max PET 3860. This high-performance, maximum capability extractor delivers professional-grade spot treatment options inside a completely mobile user framework for active pet owners. The upgraded internal motor supplies enhanced vacuum pressure to pull deep liquid messes out of thick luxury area rugs instantly and cleanly. It incorporates specialized pet hair collection tools that isolate fur before it reaches the primary storage chamber to prevent internal clogging entirely. The self-cleaning feature flushes the main hose system automatically with a single button press to ensure pristine storage conditions after work is done. I enjoy the spacious tank capacities that allow for extensive detailing sessions without requiring frequent trips to the kitchen sink basin. The durable structural framework resists cracks and leaks even when subjected to rigorous daily tasks across multiple properties or messy rooms. It rejuvenates flattened carpet fibers beautifully by extracting ground and grime and lifting the pile back to its original state from years ago. This top-tier portable system provides an uncompromising answer for enthusiasts who demand flawless restoration results across all floor surfaces. I recommend choosing the upright system for full room maintenance or the portable spot extractors for quick accidental cleanups. All 5 models guarantee excellent value and price compatibility for your home sanitation needs.